Good afternoon. This is Madhukar from NimbleQers. The reason for my message is that I'm requesting each and every one of you to please submit 1 or 2 minute video of your child stating how will they solve a problem of environment. We are inviting industry leaders from Intel, IBM, and academia as well to validate these ideas. So it's not a small event. It is going to be really big. And generally, these kind of events are organized at engineering level. But NimbleQ really believe that our students are grown up. We have to give them opportunity. And that's why we are organizing these events. And we need you, all of you, to participate in it and get benefit out of it. So today is the deadline. So please submit your 1 or 2 minute video of your child stating what is their idea, how would they like to solve a problem of environment, any idea they can think of. So please submit it today. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you very much.